show you how to create a Python file which finds area and perimeter of a right angle triangle. For finding area and perimeter, we want formulas. So this is the right angle triangle. We have height, base, and hypotenuse. With height and base, we want to find area, perimeter, and hypotenuse. So formula of area is this for perimeter and for hypotenuse. So now let us write our first line of code. Type print, and here I have saved a empty Python file. Print, as we are coding for right angle triangle, let's print it as right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Now we want to define the program. So define right angle triangle. Now we want to ask for height and base. So height h equals input height is equals to. Now we want base. So base b is equals to input base equals. Now these will be in string format, so we want to convert into float. So h is equals float h. This converts height into float height. Same thing for base b equals float b. Now we want to write formulas for hypotenuse, area, and perimeter. Formula for hypotenuse is root of height square plus base square. So hypotenuse capital H equals brackets height square h into h plus base square, so b into b. Root means star 1 by 2. This square 1 by 2. Now formula for area. Formula of area is area A equals h plus b by 2. So brackets h into b by 2. Now perimeter. Perimeter P is equals to sum of all sides, height, base, and hypotenuse. So perimeter P equals h plus b plus hypotenuse capital H. Now we want to display all these three, hypotenuse, area, and perimeter. So print area equals float, that's why a comma. Area is represented by a, so a comma. Area is represented in square units, so square units. Displaying area is completed. Now perimeter. Print perimeter equals, perimeter is represented by p, so p comma perimeter is measured in units, so units. Now hypotenuse, same as print hypotenuse equals, hypotenuse is represented by h, so capital H, and measured in units. Now I want to repeat this program, so I'm using while loop here. So while true, we have defined our function as RAT. So type RAT, hit enter. If input is exit or quit, so if you type exit or quit, it will break. That's our program is completed. Let us test it. I'm running this file in terminal. So it shows right angle triangle, and as height I will enter height as 2, and base as 3. Now it shows area 3 square units, perimeter as 8.605, hypotenuse as 3.605. You can even check these answers in Google Calculator. So that's it, our program is completed. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.